Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project videos.
This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project Object Detection using ESP32 cam, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. You will get to see the project working in action. Seeing that this project works would give you the confidence to invest your time and energy in developing it. Let me explain key parts of the project that you will learn more about while working on it. An ESP32 camera can take pictures at 2 Mbps and transmit them up to 200 meters using a small antenna on 2.4 GHz. In this project, the ESP32 cam takes and sends the pictures to a remote computer that analyzes the object to identify it. The components we need here are ESP32 cam, IC555, BC547, capacitors, resistors, diode and a relay module.
Interested in making this DIY project? Refer to the URL below for the complete circuit diagram and detailed project overview. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.